English step by step, phrasal verbs with down. Step 2. In this step 2 video, you can look at a practice exercise with phrasal verbs with down. If you'd like to see the examples and the explanations about the form and the meaning, please watch the step 1 video first. So here's the practice exercise. Now, the first step is making the questions. You can see I've left gaps for all of these questions, 10 questions, and you can look at the phrasal verbs on the list on the right and decide which one goes into the gaps to make the questions. And when you finish making the questions, you can think of some ways of answering these questions. So I suggest that you write down the phrasal verbs on a piece of paper, but you don't have to write down the answers, but that's also good practice. But you can think about how would you use the phrasal verbs to answer these questions. And in the next video, the step 3 video, I'll suggest ways of answering these questions. So, move on to the step 3 video when you finish this one. Now I'll leave the questions on the screen for 1 minute, but of course you can pause the video if you need more time.